form a strong and unbreakable chain. Our collective efforts, no matter how small, come together to create a force for good, a force for change, a force for hope. When we act in unity, we transcend boundaries, overcome challenges, and turn dreams into reality. Each link, whether it's a kind word or a helping hand or a generous contribution, strengthens the whole. Together, we create a chain that cannot be broken, one that reaches out to those in need, offering support, compassion, and love. We are the string of pearls of IWC Banjara, and our hearts beat with humanity. I now request President Manmeet Chaggi to kindly escort our Chief Guest, District Chairman Premlata ji to the dais. Secretary Savita Prem to kindly escort District Chairman. Okay. Savita, onto the stage.
Thank you. I need your blessing. I know. One thing, she was president, I was chair. My chair.
एक फोटो वन मोमेंट
शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योति परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दना दीपज्योति नमोऽस्तुते शुभं करोति कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय
of friendship, never let us forget that we are all thy children. Notwithstanding the difference in our culture and creeds, endow us with a desire to serve our fellow men, remembering that we too often need help whenever or wherever the need for service arises. Help us to be ready to serve and willing to make our badge of inner will worthwhile, ensuring that we have not lived in vain.
Later, part of her education in Nagpur, earning a Bachelor's of Commerce degree and further channeling her creative instincts while pursuing a diploma in textile designing. Now settled in Hyderabad with her husband Manmeet Chaggi and their two beautiful daughters. Manmeet balances family life, creativity, and her dedication to serving others with remarkable poise. Her dedication to Inner Wheel Club has been exemplary. She served as the secretary for the year 2020-23, a role in which she excelled, earning the prestigious Best Secretary Award for her outstanding contributions and leadership. As president, Manmeet continues to lead with vision, compassion, and a steadfast belief.
Respect and admiration towards the gracious presence of our district chairman, Premlata ma'am, PDCs, dignitaries, seniors of our sister clubs, and my IWC Banjara members. I am standing before you as the president for the year 2024-25 only because of the love and faith reposed in me by all of you. It is indeed a great honor to hold the mantle of such a prestigious club. There is an old saying, do not pray for the task equal to your powers. Pray for the powers equal to your task. Agreeing to this, we as inspirational and innovative women and an Inner Wheel Club members enjoy the bond of friendship and dedicate our services by working together towards the theme for this year, to Heartbeat of the Humanity, Every beat counts, every action matters. Set by the IIW President 2024-25 Mamta Gupta. And the goal, celebrate the goals. In the past 6 months, we as a team, with our combined efforts, have accomplished worthwhile projects along with celebrating life.
Thank you to you and we are very honored to be here today. I'm Ramya Bhuyala from Deaf Enable Foundation. She's Sushma, she is an enormous person, she's interpreting for Rini Roy. And so we use the sign language communication. For the deaf people, the language is mother tongue is sign language. Our organization based in Hyderabad, we are also running training center across the India. Hyderabad, Chennai, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Tanjavur, Pondicherry, Indore, Mumbai, Kolkata and Ahmedabad. These all the training center run by the deaf young people like Rini, and we have a team also. This is the first organizational role model deaf organization in India. And the main goal is organization to provide computer skill training program and also placement services also. So with your support, as well, you are more into the computer training technology. We want to adapt the computer technology which help the deaf people to train better and give them a better job opportunity also. We are also working with Tech Mahindra Foundation, and we are also working with the SHBC Bank also. And we're also working with other Microsoft company, but we have a limited asset to get more funds. So with the Innovate Club of Banjara, we are great to have and your support. Thank you Premlata ji ma'am and Manmit ma'am and Savita ma'am for supporting. Recently we also reached a water dispenser also, and today we have got a desktop PC, and we also looking for continued support where we can reach more deaf people in India. And once again, thank you all giving the opportunity to speak about this, and we are looking forward to join with you next meeting also. Thank you so much.
హాయ్ అందరికీ నమస్కారం నేను మీ లక్ష్మి మంచు సో you're watching me on City Light E-News. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe.
హాయ్ అండి, నేను మేళ నరేష్ మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్స్ ఈ న్యూస్.
Hello everybody, Andarki Namaskaram. This is Anasuya Bharadwaj. Please subscribe to City Light E-News. Thank you.
Please subscribe to City Light E-News.
Hi, this is Pratisha. Please subscribe to
అశ్విన్ బాబు మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ న్యూస్.
Hi, I'm Digangana Suryavanshi. Please subscribe to City Lights.
Hi, నేను Shamila. Please subscribe City Light E-News.
Hi, నేను మీ అశ్విని శ్రీ. So please do subscribe City Light E-News.
Hi, this is Priyanka Upendra. Please do subscribe to City Light News.
సిటీ లైట్ ఈ ఛానల్కి ప్రేక్షకులందరినీ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. Don't forget to subscribe to City Lights channel. God bless you.
హాయ్, నేను మీ మానస్ నాగులపల్లి. ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సిటీ లైట్ న్యూస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, my name is Natasha. Please like and subscribe City Light E-News. Thank you.